Hi friends and welcome back, and if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. I am so happy that you could stop by. In this video I'm sharing with you a simple fall DIY sign, and I hope it can be of some inspiration to you for the upcoming fall season. Now if you want to see what I create with just some simple items that I have lying around, and I am sure you have them too, then keep on watching. Now, like I said, these are just some simple items that you have lying around. Just a piece of cardboard and some fabric. I had this fabric from some leftover project that I did. I made some pumpkins out of these last year. If you've seen that video previously, I will leave a link of that in the description box below and in the iCard up here. So now only thing I am doing is I'm just measuring out the piece that I'm going to be needing for my sign, and then I'm just gonna cut out the piece that I'm going to be using. Now as you can see, the fabric has a crease in it, so I'm just going to iron that out, and there it is gone, just like magic. So I'm going to be using my glue gun to attach the fabric to the cardboard. After I'm done gluing the fabrics to the card box, I am going to cut off the excess fabric, and that's completely optional because this is the back of the sign. I'm sorry you guys, my camera wasn't recording when I was tracing out the words Hello Fall with a piece of graphite paper, but this is no science, so you get the picture. Now I'm just using a black permanent marker to trace out the thicker parts of the letters. Now to trace out the thinner lines of the two words, I am using a black fine liner. And this is how it looks so far, and I am just going in with a dry brush of a little bit of black, white and brown acrylic paint to give it a more distressed look. Now that my sign is basically ready, I can start decorating, and I'm using this piece of burlap. I used it last year in my fall decor as a candle ring, but I just took it apart and I'm just going to reuse it on this sign. I really wanted this sign to be more three-dimensional, so here I am just gluing some more fall decor that I had lying around. And this is the final result, you guys. I am really happy with how this turned out. If you want to see this entire space decorated for fall, then make sure you have your notification bell on, because this upcoming Sunday I'm going to have a video out where I do some cleaning and decorating with me for fall. So make sure you don't miss that. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I see you again in my next one. Bye!